Well, I finished up last night. It was like 9:30, but got the Geico tape on, and I do believe I did not miss any spots. It did rain some in the night, as far as I can tell, or maybe it was just heavy dew, not sure. But it looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and remove some more screws, replace them with the nails, and get this whole area ready for the aluminum. I still have a major repair here, but I'm going to get the aluminum on everything that I can get prepped, and I'll feel better about that, and then I'm going to have to tackle this. But one step at a time, and let's get to work. Got a couple hours.